In this video, you're going to learn how to make Gmail templates. Before we get started, be sure and subscribe to my channel. Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a template so that you can really easily send letters to your Tapestri leads. So just go open your Gmail, go to Compose here on the left hand. Go ahead and create your letter. And so the letter is going to have your subject here. And then you're going to have your letter, whatever there. You're going to go down here and you're going to sign off. And then you're going to go to more options. And you're going to go up to templates. And you're going to go save. So you've gone from templates to save draft as a template. And then I have already saved these. So then you go down here to say new template. And then, you can name this whatever you want to name it and click save. Okay, so I'm going to do that. So now I'm going to get rid of all of this and show you how easily this works. So let's go to the inbox here, and here is a letter I got from Tapestri that I have a new lead. So I'm going to click on that letter from Tapestri, and I'm going to go right down here to the email address that Tapestri is sending me and see how that just fills in there. So then I go down here and I go up to my templates and I go over here and I find the template that I just saved with the email that I wanted to send. I click on that and it fills it in and I click send. Now obviously I'm not going to send this because it's junk, but that is exactly how it works. If you have any other questions on how to do this, just give me a shout, comment on my channel, and I'll get back to you. This is Renee Rutten signing off. Thank you.